Hey guys, Tank here. I just picked up on Amazon a AWANFI car jump starter 1200 amp peak current charger. This thing is really cool because it's a multi-function. You can actually boost up your car with this and also charge up your phones. There's two USB ports on here and a whole bunch of stuff. We'll go through that real quick in a bit, but let's open up the package and see what's inside. Now you do get a case, which is nice. So it just keeps everything. I got this to leave in the car when I go trailing with all my RCs and things like that. I love having something that I can actually open up and charge up my GoPros, my phone, and all the things I record with. So this is very interesting. There we go. I'll put it this way, might be better. You get a small little cable that has a multifunction, and you have USB-C, Apple, and another USB-A. Cool. So you do get a small cable that charges up a multifunction. You do get a owner's manual. Here's a charger for it. This is the American, Canadian one. You do get a charger you can plug into your lighter and actually charge off your battery. But if your battery's dead, you can't. You got to boost it up with this. But if you want to recharge it, you can. You do get this, and that's what I was interested in finding out, is the quality of these grips. And let me tell you, there is some... They're very well made. And you do have an EC3 connector here to plug into the battery, which is good. And you have the battery itself. You do get a small little compass, so north is that way. You do not get a nice big flashlight. There's your on-off, your function. Your input. You do get a 12-volt output. And this is where you connect the EC3 for jumping the car. So if we turn it on, it shows that the battery is on 69%. USB 5 volts. I should read the instruction. Oh, it turned on the flashlight. Wow, this is a bright flashlight. You do have different function for the in case of an emergency for the light. So it's a long press to turn it on. Short press will enable the output here. Long press will turn on the light. And then a short press gives you different flashes for SOS. 3 short burst and then 2 short burst. This is strobe. And supposedly that you can actually charge up to an iPhone 8. You can charge it up 9 times. You can charge a iPad mini 3 times. The Kindles, you can charge them 11 times. And you do have 2 ports. So if you're in the woods camping or anything, this is going to come very handy. I'm going to keep this in the car. And when we go out on a trip and things like that, just in case we do drain the battery and we don't have to call CAA or anything, we can get ourselves out of trouble real quick. So let's connect some things here and charge it up and test it out. Okay, I quickly did some test with my phone and connecting the phone with this cable on the USB-C. This is not USB 3 cable type. So this cable does work, but it does tell my phone that it will take 3 hours to charge my phone. So this does not permit a lot of current to go through. But if I use the cable that came with my phone, or a USB 3 cable, this cable charges way faster. So when I connected this charger onto my phone with this cable, it told me it was 1 hour and 43 minutes to charge up. And this one was like 3 hours and 50 minutes. So this cable will get you out of trouble, but I recommend using your own cables. Like that, you know that they're up to par. And connecting the clip, as soon as you open up the back and you connect your clip to actually charge up your phone, you do have little lights that actually warns you that you're about to charge up or that you're live. So it's pretty good idea to actually put that. It makes sense. And then you just disconnect it, pull it, put this clip back on, and you're all set to go. So let's connect it real quick with the wall charger, see what kind of response we get on the LED. Okay, connected it to power. My input goes here. And then we get a message that we are charging. We do have 15 volts in. And everything is charging up. So I'll leave this aside and come back with you guys to see how long it actually takes to charge up the battery. Okay, we're at 100% and it took about an hour to charge it up all the way up to 100. So now it's ready to put it away and use it on the trails or camping or anything. This thing is going to be very useful. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you.